Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about Nepal. Nepal, formerly the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a landlocked country in South Asia. It is mainly situated in the Himalayas, but also includes parts of the Indo-Gangetic plain bordering. And the capital city of Nepal is Kathmandu, and dialing code is +977. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Nepal, they should start with +977 in their mobile number, and remaining number their friend's mobile number. Then automatically it will go. And the currency is Nepalese rupee. Nepalese are also following the rupee, but their Nepalese rupee is different. Is Nepal a part of India? Nepal country of Asia, lying along the southern slopes of the Himalayan mountain ranges. It is a landlocked country located between India to the east, south and west, and the Tibet autonomous region of China to the north. And can Indian go to the Nepal? Can I travel? Next point is, can Indian go to Nepal? Can I travel to Nepal with my Aadhaar card or driving license? No. We need a document that exclusively proves your nationality. Hence, you need to produce either valid Indian passport or election card issued by Election Commission in India to enter into Nepal. So passport and voter card is enough to go to Nepal. And why? Next point is, why is Nepal famous for? Nepal is the country of Mount Everest, the highest mountain peak in the world, and the birthplace of Gautama Buddha, Lumbini, mountaineering, and other types of adventure tourism and ecotourism are important attractions for visitors. And which country we can go without passport? List of countries where visa is not required for Indian citizens. That Bhutan, Indonesia and Jamaica, Serbia and Haiti. These are the states where the visa is not required, but their passport, valid passport and voter ID should be definitely submit Xerox copies. Then only you can get the permission. Next point is Nepal a clean country? Nepal came third in our 2015 ranking of countries making the biggest improvements in sanitation, and 9 in 10 people now have clean water. More people than ever before are also aware of the importance of good hygiene, enabling them to stay safe and healthy. Next point is Nepal a clean country? Nepal came in 2015 the ranking of countries making a biggest improvements in sanitation. And the next point is Nepal a good country to live in? It is one of the safest countries you can be in. The crime rates in Nepal are very low. The local food that is generally healthy is available at low prices. The weather is never very hot. It is comfortably warm with a few months of cold. Next point is which food famous in Nepal? 5 famous Nepali foods are dal bhat, tarkari, and momo, a type of dumpling which is made from dough, usually filled with minced meat buffalo, and chicken and pork, and also with vegetables. Chatamari and dhido and aloo tama. These are the famous foods in Nepal. And which is the biggest market in Nepal? Kalimati fruit and vegetable market is the biggest wholesale market for agricultural products in Nepal. It is located in Kathmandu, Nepal. The market is managed and run by the Kalimati fruit and vegetable market development. And next point is, why is Nepal famous for? Nepal is the country of most Everest, the highest mountain peak in the world, and the birthplace of Gautama Buddha, Lumbini, is also in Nepal only. Mountaineering and their types of adventure tourism and ecotourism are important attractions for visitors. That by that only so many Buddhists are coming to Nepal to see his birthplace, and they will have very, it is a sanctified place. They will feel it is a devotive place to them, to all of the world, having all of the Buddha world, Buddhists in world. They will go to Nepal to see the birthplace of Gautama Buddha, and next point is, what is the famous thing of Nepal? Nepal is famous for several things like signing bowls, pushmina, Thanga paintings, Nepali handicrafts, and Tibetan prayer flags, spices and herbal products, and tea. Because it is basically Hindu country with 99% of population is Hindus only, so that it is famous for handicrafts and other things, and next point is, how long should I spend in Nepal to really experience the best of Nepal? Plan for 3 to 4 weeks. 4 weeks is enough. This is enough time to complete a serious trek, such as the remote and under visited Makalu Base Camp or Arun Valley to Everest Base Camp trek, and have some extra time left to experience culture, jungle, and other adventure activities such as rafting. This is the information regarding Nepal country, and why I did this is, those who are interested to go to Nepal for visiting purpose or traveling purpose or educational purpose, they should know the basic fundamentals. For that only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.